Everything is scattered, but you know what? That's work in progress, and we are excited.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to House of Roll. I'm Camille and this is Mike.
What's up? What's up?
If you're new here, we are building our Forever Right Now home, and today, you guys, we have an update.
Yes, an update.
We have our very first framing wall up. It's a tiny wall, but it's still a wall.
And it's a process, but I'll tell you one thing, there is nothing like moving forward. There is nothing like progress. Any little bit of progress brings a level of excitement to you.
So we are sitting at the lot right now with this beautiful sun glowing on our skin.
As a backdrop.
Yes. Okay, so changes. The last you guys seen was the burying of the Bibles. Okay. And yeah. So now we have a slightly framed wall. We have not walked over there, so I don't know if they've done anything else today, or yeah, it would have been today because we were here late last night. So yeah, I know they have blue lines, they have some wood pieces laid out, and then they have the half wall done. And I just don't even know what to think right now. Like the guy, I came over here when they first started the framing process, and the guy was like, it should look like a house within the next 2 to 3 weeks. That's crazy.
It's crazy, but I'll tell you one thing. I think we understand why the process at this point in time is taking a little bit slow. Because the sun out here, woo!
Oh my goodness.
Oh man, it's in the what, plus hundreds? If I may say, well, that's what it feels like.
It's 7:58 right now, and it's 97 degrees, and it feels every bit of 97 degrees. But we've been having like some 100. We had the other day was 107.
107.
Yeah.
It's been like that for a couple of days, back to back.
Yeah, it was like 104, 107. Yeah, this weather's been crazy. Also, you know, right now with COVID's been around for years, but everything is still like on back order. Laborers are still like needed. So, hey, if you're a laborer, please, please, please help these construction workers out and apply for a job, because it's crazy out here. But not just laborers, everywhere, like grocery stores and retail stores, and just everybody is looking for help. So the framing company said that they are short a crew. So they're going to be moving slow, he said, which is fine. But yeah, I think the other day, would you say you came and it was like 2 kids were out here working. 2 kids built this wall that we're going to show you guys. How old did they look?
Oh man, I think one looked like he was about 12, 13. 12, 13. Well, that's me exaggerating, but in all honesty, one looked like he was 16 and the other one looked like he was about 18 years old. You know, I offered my services, but they looked at me and said, hey man,
like, what? You don't know what you're doing. Get out of here, mister.
They said I was not qualified.
Yeah.
But in any event, like we said, the progress. I don't care how big or how small it just generates a level of excitement in the air. And so we are so excited. And so let's get out and walk towards the property and see exactly what else they may have done.
Yay. Okay, guys, here we go.
As you see here, we have our joists to our right. We have some plywood here directly in the center, and we have some 2x4s for, I think they're about 10 foot for our 10 foot or 9 foot basement. Everything is scattered, but you know what? That's work in progress, and we are excited.
I'm assuming those are the 2x4s that are going to go on the perimeter of the garage here. So these are the blue lines I was talking about, and those define the room spaces. There's the wall, you guys. Yay. Okay, we're gonna go down there.
The blue lines just simply delineates the bedroom spaces, the bathroom. But also, I see in the seal place for the joists. It also, I think they also.
So the joist will sit.
Yes,
on
top
top
of the
of
seal
here.
plate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Work in progress. Ever slow.
You guys, our wall. Guys, the sun went down some, so we are gonna try to get upstairs. I don't know, I feel like this is a waste of sand. Why is this back here? Why did they level this out? I understand. Huh?
Wait, I'll charge for it. Take it back.
We are up and we're above the garage now. And this is what is called our flex space. So it is an additional area to hang out, kind of like a second living room. Yay! So I'm in the bathroom right now. In the walk-in closet.
Walk-in closet, is it?
Yeah, that's the walk-in closet right there. It's so cool how they're gonna take all of these. Like, this is just gonna go from flat concrete to like, this is gonna look like rooms here pretty soon. And then here is this the patio? Or is it like a patio slash deck thing? Yep. Y'all, all of this, you can't even really see it, all of this, and it goes back further, we have to grass all of this. That's a lot of grass.
What, an acre?
Honey, are you excited about cutting the grass?
I love the grass. There's nothing like manicuring a yard. There's nothing like green. I love the greenery. It's like money.
Y'all,
I can never have enough of it.
It's a whole lot of green.
It's what, an acre?
It is an acre.
I know.
It's a whole lot of green.
But you got the house on the acre, so.
Yeah.
You want to show them the land? Oh. The land off the green.
I don't even know if there's a way to. It's a lot of grass.
See that?
Yeah, we can probably. We'll go down so you guys can kind of somewhat see. I'm standing on the patio. is going out to the first stick. Be careful. Okay. There's Mike. There's the stick. So I'm on the patio, and that's where the property line ends. Yeah, I can see you, honey. And then it goes all the way down to there somewhere. There he is. Aislin's gonna have so much room to run around and play. Be careful! You gotta keep going some more. I think it goes over a little bit more. I think you go over some more. Yeah, somewhere like right there, I think. So yes, that is the whole property line. And then he's coming back up. That is a wrap for this week's video on our semi-custom new construction home update. We are thrilled that you guys have followed along this far, and we would love for you to subscribe to our channel so you can continue to watch us build and grow and make this house a home. We'll have decorating videos coming and a whole lot more. Yeah. We're excited, as Mike said about 7 times in this video. But yes, if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments. And of course, we would love for you to like this video. And honey, anything you want to add before we get out of here?
No, I am just simply excited. You know, it's just amazing. What?
I said 8.
You know, it's just amazing how you can, you know, see somebody take something off a piece of paper, you know, lines and numbers, and make art out of it.
Yeah.
And this is what you see here, art in progress.
Well, because for weeks it was just a drawing on a piece of paper. Actually, months. For months it's been drawing on a piece of paper, and then now it's like
a birthing of a baby. Yeah,
it's like starting to look like something. And like I said, the framing crew said in about 2 to 3 weeks it's gonna look like an actual house. And so it's just crazy. I came out here when they were getting the framing prep ready, and they were just looking at the piece of paper and measuring and drawing a line and then snapping glue. And I'm just like, how do you even know where to start with a project like this? Because there's just so much. There's so much wood everywhere, and so to know where the pieces go, it's like putting a puzzle together. They're so good at what they do.
So I guess those kids were right, huh? I guess I wasn't qualified, considering. But until then,
see you next time.
peace out.